Hi guys, I'm Ange and welcome back to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafting. I think summer is officially over in my part of the world as we are currently experiencing a lot of rains, which makes it pretty challenging to shoot. So if you hear some pitter-patter in the background, that's just Mother Nature. In spite of the gloomy weather, I was still in the mood to make earrings from polymer clay. And as I wanted to challenge myself, I tried making organic shapes, which does not make use of a mold. As I will be utilizing some white clay here, I want to make sure that my glass mat is very clean before I start working. I also want a dark outline for my organic shape, so I'm also using burnt umber and the dusty colors that I mixed some 2 weeks back. You'll also need an extruder, a manual roller, and a clay blade. First, let us make the shape. Using the teardrop shape plate, load the extruder with some white clay that has already been conditioned. Next, pass the burnt umber through the clay roller into the number 7 setting. Neaten the edge of the burnt umber using the clay blade. Then, carefully wrap the teardrop-shaped log. Once it is fully wrapped, lightly roll out the log to flatten the shape a bit. Then, get the blade and cut the log into about 1 inch in length. Then, place the cut piece slightly overlapping the log. Continue to do this until the entire log is cut up. Once all the logs have been stacked, use the ruler again to gently flatten the skein out. The next step is to bring out the slabs. I thought that the dusty colors that I mixed 2 weeks back paired so well with its design. If you haven't seen my color mixing video yet, I'm dropping a link above so that you can watch this. Neaten the edges. Once the edges are neat, slice the cane very thinly using your clay blade and place along the slab. I did alternating heights for more visual interest. Once the entire slab is covered, roll this out again with a manual roller. I took a short video of the completed slab before I cut it into earrings. I used my cutters to finally make earrings, making sure that I applied even pressure on all sides. I also punched the holes on the earrings. I wanted to show you that you could also spread the design on both sides, which is what I did on this next slab. This is quite a simple project, but when you look at the pieces, there is something quite interesting about the shapes that it formed. Very much like scales. I hope that you liked this short video. If you haven't yet, do like and subscribe to the Craft Time Studio. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!